Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we will be replacing the memory on a Precision 5570. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this helpful. We will need the following tools for this procedure. Phillips screwdriver number 0, Phillips screwdriver number 1, T5 Torx screwdriver, plastic scribe. Let's get this party started. Flip the system so the base cover is facing up. Now undo the 8 screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest, then use the plastic scribe to pry open the system. Lift the base cover away from the palm rest, then disconnect the battery from the connector on the system board. Now peel the DD or jacket back to access the memory module slot, then use your fingertips to spread apart the clips on each end of the slot until the memory pops up. Repeat these steps to remove the other memory module if available on your system. Installing the memory. Slide the memory module back in the DDR jacket, then slide it into the slot. Repeat these steps to install the other memory module if available on your system. Lastly, connect the battery cable to the system board, then install the base cover.